All right, so we got the nth term of a sequence which is n squared plus 3, and we need to find the first 3 terms of the sequence. All right, so if you want to get this done, you need to know what the first term is, the second term, and the third term. So to find the first term, I will have to do 1 squared. I have to replace n by 1 and add 3 to it. And 1 squared is 1 plus 3, and that gave me 4. So 4 is the first term. And the second term, again, I will have to replace n by 2. That is 2 squared plus 3. And 2 squared is 4, add 3, that's 7. So the second term here is 7. And of course, for the third term will be 3 squared plus 3. And 3 squared is 9. Add 3 to it, and that's 12. So now you can see now that the first 3 terms of the sequence will be 4, 7, and 12. And then, of course, you come to question B, where you have to find the 10th term of the sequence. Again, to find the 10th term, you will have to replace n by 10. So that would be 10 squared, add this 3. And of course, if you do 10 squared, it gives you 100, and add 3 to it. And the answer is going to be 103. And so this makes it easier for you to follow, okay? So thank you so much, and do have a wonderful time. Thank you.